Hello everyone, today I am going to walk you through the ISTQB certification process, like what it is, how to apply, why it is necessary, how to apply for the exam and the exam structure of the ISTQB. So let's get started. So in this session, we will see the following points such as what is ISTQB, the advantages of ISTQB, ISTQB foundation syllabus, exam pattern, how to apply for the ISTQB exam, fee structure, how to crack the ISTQB exam and some exam teams. By the end of session, you will get the clarity of the ISTQB process. So first we will start with the exactly what is ISTQB. So ISTQB stands for the International Software Testing Qualification Board. So it is a global certification for the software testers. No matter what, you are a fresher or an experienced candidate, so it will always strengthen your testing fundamentals. It will recognize in 100 plus countries across the world. So we'll see now advantages of ISTQB. So it will enhance your resume and credibility. Second, it will increase your job opportunity, especially where the ISTQB certified are required in the company. Standard global QA terminology, even it will give you the potential high salary potential. It is structured career path. Yes, ISTQB gives you a structured career path from foundation to expert level. So now let's go through the syllabus of ISTQB. The fundamentals of testing are included in the syllabus. SDLC and testing life cycle, like static testing techniques are there, test design techniques are there, like equivalence class partitioning, decision tables. So you should prepare for it. Test management and some tools, like you should have the knowledge of some basic tools of testing. So yes, now we will see the exam pattern of ISTQB. So it is included 40 multiple choice question. The duration of the exam is 60 minutes. The passing score required is 65%. That means you need to clear 26 question out of 40. No negative markings are there. It is available in both mode, like online and offline. So right now the question is how to apply for the exam. So there is an official website like www.itb.org.in. So visit this website, select a foundation level, choose the exam mode, that could be a online or offline mode, pick the date and time slot for the exam, fill the form and pay the fees. You will receive the hall ticket through mail. Fee structure. So there are different fee structure for each level. So for the foundation level, the fee structure is from 5,000 to 7,500 range. Whenever you clear the foundation level exam, you are eligible for the advanced level exam. So fee structure for the advanced level exams is 10,000 to 12,000. After you clear the advanced level, you are now eligible for expert level. So you can see that the range of expert level is 25,000 to 30,000. Don't worry, it will get you the value for money. How to crack the ISTQB exam? You can study official syllabus that is available on the official website of the ISTQB. Read the ISTQB book. So there is a book available in the market for the ISTQB. You can practice at least 300 MCQ question. You can go to 500 MCQ question. Focus on test design techniques. Such as I have already mentioned, that is equivalence class partitioning, decision table or boundary value analysis, such techniques. You can focus on that technique more because ISTQB includes most test design technique based question. You can attempt more mock test. So basically the conclusion is ISTQB builds a strong QA fundamentals. Okay, it boosts your career growth and opportunity. Okay, so suppose there are so many testers are available in the market, but the tester who have the ISTQB certification is always get more priority than others. So recommended for every testing professional. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video.